Really racked up, racked out. And I be counting money till I pass out. 100 racks and hundreds in the stash house. And I be saying something when I mash out. In a Lambo, looking like a fly. I shine like something in the sky. These haters hope I hurry up and die. Cause my bitch look like she say hurry up and buy.
DJ Do It All is on.
Yo, my name is Gaby Flores. I'm here to show you my bike check. I'm gonna start off with my frame. It's a Fit frame. If I'm not mistaken, it's a Fit Benny. I got Odyssey Twan bolts. I had them for about 3 years already. I got the $1 Million Sprocket Odyssey. Had this for like 3 years. I got these Odyssey pedals, you know, Odyssey forks, racing. I got my front rim set up. It's Odyssey Hazard lights with G Sport, Animal GLH tires. I got the Sunday stem. I got these Fit Max ODI grips. I got this Colt C. I got my back set up. It's Odyssey Hazard lights with the G Sport ratchet hub. Yeah, I got a shadow chain, Primo pegs, Animal pegs, front and back. That's really about it for my bike. My bike's about, I can say 26 pounds. Not too light, not too heavy. Pure solid, how I like it. So I'm gonna bust out a few tricks for y'all, show y'all what I'm about, you know? It's cold out here, nigga. New York. It's brick out here. Alright, yo, that's it for my bike check for today, yo. Check me out on YouTube, GodMoney87. Holla at me, boy.